My name is Seth Eddington, and I don't know what to do with my hands. I'm going to start, if the camera would, please, by getting 2 milliliters of ethyl acetate. Where I'm at. Okay, that was 1. That's a solid 1. Okay, and 2 mils of ethyl acetate, just like that. That's how a pro does it. And it's gonna go, I'm gonna ask you to follow me. Okay, you see this here? Face and head. And 2 mils of ethyl acetate into this thingy. Okay, that was good. That was real good. All right, we're gonna go back over here. You want this? You can have that. You're welcome.
You're not gonna do this in one clip, right?
Yeah, doing it all in one.
I hate you so much.
And 8 mils of this. So if you guys want to get over here, you guys can do your own thing. Instead of just watching me. This is 8 mils of heptane. Someone tell me when I'm at 8, please.
Close.
8. All right, next that is 8 mils of ethyl acetate. Heptane, brother. And then I'm gonna put, if you could just get this in there, I'm gonna pour this in there as well. 8 mils heptane.
Just like that?
Yeah, just like that. All right, you can this piece of filter paper into my solution of ethyl acetate and heptane. All right. Close that off so it doesn't evaporate anymore and I don't get noxious fumes in my nose. And now I've got to, let's swirl this puppy up. We're swirling the puppy. And saturation. That's what we have, is saturation. Puppy swirled. All right, we're gonna cut and then come back. So we're gonna draw now our line and the dots on the chromatography paper. Here, just like that, and then we're gonna go whoop, and then little dot, and there it is, just like that. All right. So as you can see here, I accidentally scraped off part of the white part of my chromatography paper, so we're gonna put the dots on the inside of both those right next to them. So we have the fluoronon right here.
No.
Fluoronon right here, and I'm going to just
All the way down, farther. There you go. Now pull it up.
no, there we go. And then all I'm gonna do is just tap
Good.
it.
A little bit big.
A little bit big. It's a little bit big, but you know we'll make it.
Okay. Put your cap back on.
Put the cap back on here for the fluoronon. And there's that. Okay, no, we're gonna go on to the other one.
Oh, sit up here.
We have our master instructor over here.
Sensei.
Sensei's. This is his dojo. And we have standard fluorine here, which we are going to be doing on the right side. Go all the way up. All right, there we go. And we're gonna just tap. Just a real light little tap.
Again.
And we're gonna do it again.
There you go. See that size? That was
that
better.
was-
Much better. Much
That was the
improved.
size you want to go for when you're doing this. And we'll come back to you in a minute.
Sure.
All right, guys, so we've let our chromatography paper dry up, and we are ready now for it to go into our solution. So I'm going to open this back up, going to set the silica side facing the filter paper, and set it on down in there. All right, there we go. Oh, no! There we go. And oh no, okay, it's fine. As we can see here, the solution is being soaked up through the chromatography paper. And we have to wait a moment now. So, okay, I'm here, and we are now at 80% on the chromatography paper, as you can see right here. We are now going to let this dry, and then we'll take it over to the UV light. So this is where the line was. It is actually going down now, but this is where the liquid went. So we have my chromatography paper all dried up. Can't see a thing right now. Oh wait, we're not under UV light. All right, and UV light. There we go. All right, I'm gonna have you look through the top there. Oh, and we can see our fluorone on the left did not make it nearly as far as the fluorine, the standard fluorine on the right. There could be some scientific explanation for this, and we will discuss this in a later time. All right, so we're drawing our little circles in here. All right, and just like that, we have our circles. So now we'll go measure. All right, so now we are going to measure from the solvent front to our start, real quick. This is our B value, which is 4.89. So I'm gonna write this down real quick. 4.89 centimeters. Okay. Now, for our first point, from the center of our first point here is going to be, from there, it's almost, it looks exactly like 2.00 centimeters. So I'm going to write that down. For part A equals 2.00 centimeters, and then now we're going to go to our other one, and would you look at that? It looks like it's almost maybe 3.05, 3.06 centimeters. I'm going to write this down. And 3.06 centimeters is for our standard fluorine. And we're going to do the calculations here in just a second. All right. So we have done the calculations now. We took our spot of the fluorinone at 2.00 centimeters divided by the solvent front distance of 4.89 comes to an RF value of 0.409. We did the exact same thing for the fluorine dot, which was 3.06 divided by 4.89, and we got an RF value of 0.626. So those are our calculations, and we'll be back for more. Stay tuned. So with just a jar of liquid and this piece of paper, we made a green piece of paper with a bunch of dots on it. And then we measured them, and it was a lot of fun, classmates. And we're gonna go now.